Okay, let's see the next structure, the sixth structure. What is the structure? I am gonna. The structure is I am gonna. I am gonna means I am going to. I am gonna means I am going to. Okay. I am gonna. The structure is I am gonna plus even plus something. What is the structure? The usage of this structure. Actually, I am gonna is informal language. I am gonna is used in informal language like colloquial language. Okay. So this structure is used to express structure is used to express future intentions or plans. Future intentions or plans. Used to express the future intentions. The future intentions or plans. Actually, this structure is used in spoken English. This structure is used in spoken English. As it is colloquial language, it is mostly used in spoken English. Okay. Now let's see some examples. I am gonna, which means I am going to. In general English, we call this I am going to. Okay. I am gonna after we have to use the first form of the verb be1. Okay. I am gonna. I am gonna start exercising. I'm gonna start exercising every day. I'm gonna read more books. I'm gonna read more books to improve my knowledge. I'm gonna read more books to improve my knowledge. Okay. I'm gonna try a new hobby. I'm gonna try a new hobby. I'm gonna to travel the world. I'm gonna travel the world. I am gonna learn new course. I'm gonna learn new course. I am gonna spend more time. I'm gonna spend more time with my parents. I'm gonna try a cousin. I'm gonna start saving money. I'm gonna start saving money. I'm gonna buy a new car. I am gonna I am gonna quit my old job. I am gonna learn to play Any musical instrument. Musical instrument. I'm gonna more delicious food. I'm gonna cook more delicious food. I'm gonna start my own business. I'm gonna create a beautiful grammar website. I'm gonna write a spoken English book. I'm gonna take a photography course. I'm gonna learn yoga. I'm gonna join in gym. I'm gonna run a marathon. I'm gonna run a marathon. I'm gonna buy an apartment. I am gonna try a new hair color. I am gonna start diet. Gonna start dieting. I'm gonna learn communication skills. I am gonna adopt a pet. I am gonna inculcate good habits. I'm gonna inculcate good habits. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next class.